Today, we're going to show you some things that we can't live without at camp. Okay, so I see a lot of posts on Facebook groups and chats and everything about people asking what they do with their Starlinks. Well, here's where I mounted ours. It's in the basement of our rig. I bought this inexpensive bracket, mounted it to the front wall, mounted the power source under it, and then next to it, if you can see it with the light there, I bought a cord caddy to hold it. I ran these over to the outlet in the floor using these glue-up clips, which was really convenient to do. I put one every couple of feet, all the way down and around. I had to get a little short extension cord. There's my Cat 5 cable, or Cat 6 cable, and I had just dropped it right down out, and I go underneath the camper to our Starlink Gen 3. The cord goes underneath our rig and comes out, and it wraps around. I have it following our lines. I covered it with a board to protect it, and it goes right up here to where we have it set up. The Starlink app shows us how obstructed we are. This is how we look on the Starlink map. We have it sitting on the pedestal you saw. It's aligned. These are some respectable numbers. 224 down. Wow, that's dropping 7 megabits up. 224 down. Here's our ActiveStart EMS and soft start. We have it plugged in with a dog bone. And we have a 30 amp power box. This is the ideal situation for this product. It comes with these QR codes on there so you can Bluetooth to it fairly easily. And it just sits here and does its job. This app is designed to use in our exact situation. What we have is a 30 amp post and a 50 amp RV. I'm going to connect to my device via Bluetooth and look at the settings. It's a 2021 Alliance Paradigm 310RL. We've got 3 rooftop air conditioners. And what would happen when we just plugged it in is it would just thump when the air conditioners would start. So I had to call support because when my air conditioners start, they would thump. And they said, well, choose power pedestal and then set your maximum input amps to 40. And I mess with this number based on how it performs. The other thing the tech support said, if the higher amps are working, choose this, the medium Gen 4500 watt. So right now I'm running at 11 amps on my air conditioner. I also have the fridge running. I think that runs on leg 1. The bad thing about this setup that I have with a 30 amp post, I can't really run my water heater and 2 air conditioners. It's not just specific to an air conditioner, or like you would have to buy soft starts for each air conditioner, what, $200 to $300 each, maybe more, and install them. If you can install them yourself, great. If you can't, you have to pay someone. This ActiveStart EMS and soft start from Active Controls was a little bit pricey, but it covers the whole rig, and that's kind of nice. We have a 3500 watt generator. We'll change to this medium and we'll adjust the amps down. If you have it unset out of the box, when we plugged into 30 amps, what happens is our TV reboots. The lights will dim a little or flicker a little bit when an air conditioner comes on until you make these minor adjustments. Okay, we're going to put some duct tape over this to hold this in place because this broke right here. The screws are tight, so I'm not sure what happened. And I read in a forum that you can go ahead and just duct tape this and it'll blend right in. So I've got some black Gorilla tape and I'm going to put a piece of tape around this. I'm going to put the phone down though while I do it. The fix is in place. A nice piece of Gorilla tape. You won't see that from the ground. Maybe just a little bit, but that'll keep that cap from falling off. And I don't know about you, but I can never get these caps to fit back on the way they're supposed to. If you've put these caps on and made them fit, tell me how. There's a secret to it. So the tape job we did held up through a rainstorm last night, and you can hardly see it. All we did was tape these caps together so that they don't fly off when we're rolling down the road. You can't put these things on the way they were originally. I don't know what the deal is. Again, if you know, put a comment down there. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. It's free. And remember, life's an adventure. Roll with it.